Why don't you buy Sony? Fuji!
Sie können Ihre Zähne putzen, wie Sie wollen. In Zahnzwischenräume kommt Ihre Zahnbürste nicht. Was bleibt, sind Speisereste.
可愛いですね。可愛い男の子ですよ。おめでとうございます。
よかったですね。
Fujifilm, as used by the world's top photographers.
Hello and welcome to episode number 2 of Hit or Shit, the series in which I'm testing very affordable camera gear, and this time I got another lens from China, the very fast Kamlan 50mm 1.1. And yes, the lens hood that came with it is very plasticky, but at least you get one and it does the job. The lens cap can top that. It feels like it came out of a chewing gum machine, but hey, it has a nice Kamlan logo on it, which is also on this cleaning cloth. And oh my god, you really get an English manual and some bokeh tips for free. That makes sense. The build quality of this lens is very good. The aperture ring and the focus ring turn very smoothly and clickless, and they are very grippy and prepared for video use. The sharpness at f1.1 is usable, but not so much for nature shots like this, for example, and you also can't get very close to your subject. The sharpness starts to kick in at f2.8. Saying that, of course, this is a very affordable bokeh machine, and that's why you buy it. You want to shoot very fast at f1.1, and that's how I shot almost every image you can see here, and I was quite surprised how good the results turned out. You get beautiful bokeh and also crazy chromatic aberrations, but not all the time. This lens is clearly made for portraits and for street photography. You can get some great looks with it, and even that soft porn glow look from the 80s. But wait, what about the bokeh balls? Don't worry, here are the balls, and unfortunately they are not as round as I would like them to be, even in the center, and they can very easily get lemon shaped. And if we take a close look, we can see that the bokeh is not really clean. Like I said earlier in the review, the Kamlan is prepared for video with its clickless rings, which is very good, but since it has no OES and the Fuji X-T2 has no IBIS, the result on a gimbal is not perfect, but usable with some post stabilization. Hit or shit? Well, for a very affordable price, I think this is really a hit. If you only shoot portraits from time to time and street photography, but you want that extra bokeh, then this lens is worth buying it. Hope you enjoyed this episode. Make sure to subscribe for more hit or shit and hit the notification bell.